So a little bit about running the facility. Actually, I'll go, this is our Bigger Garage Self-Storage website. So Stacy will probably recognize this. Another thing that I got from the Storage Nerds program was her marketing person. So he's been amazing. He puts together this website, that you see here. It does somewhat integrate with storage. So if you go to rent storage unit here, you can see that, you can see actually that Carlton is the one we just bought. Right here's LaPorte. So you can go down here, you say, I want to rent a storage unit in LaPorte. And then this new tab, this is actually taking you, this is storage. So this give, it flashed the storage rental center, but it's got our little logo there. And right now you can see we're completely, we're all filled up. So there's no availability in LaPorte. So both facilities and eventually all of our facilities will be on this website. It's got a map here, and there's a lot of thought that's gone into marketing of how this website's designed, and even down to apparently Smiling Faces has a better likelihood of them clicking on the button and signing up versus not. So anyway, we're super excited. This has only been live for maybe a week because we moved away from the website, kind of the stock website that storage provides you. And you end up saving up quite a bit of money because this website is one fee for all of our facilities, whereas storage, they charge you per website. And Stacy, I think you've already moved over. Yours has probably looked very similar, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, we have 11 facilities. Just think about how much that would cost if we actually use storage.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
That's...
Yeah. So anyway, that's my first facility. We financed it with a local community bank, commercial lender, just somebody that we connected with. And then, we're using storage. And so I'll let me see here. I can bring up storage. You can just, it's fms.com. I'll bring it up here and I'll give you a view of what storage looks like. So far, we've had a great experience with storage. Oh, come on. And I'm going to switch the facility over to LaPorte. So the occupancy isn't correct because I've gotten probably ahead of myself. I've already added the 74 units. And then we do have, looks like, some people that are past due, but we've got 25 tenants. So we're all full up. Some of the features that we really like about this is this insurance. So this is something that we're now working on, where we're going to go through and we're going to try to get everybody onto insurance, whether it's private insurance that they provide or facility insurance that provides us some residual income. And so this integrates with storage, and we can go through and we can get residual income from that. Another residual income that we get is we actually rent locks out to our tenants. And so through storage, you can set them up where we buy the locks for $10 a piece. They're Da Vinci locks, and we rent them out for $2.50. So you think about, your break even on that. Basically, the locks that we buy are for free. And then we overlock our tenants with the locks that basically they bought for us. And that's the way we're going to manage our new Carlton facility and the one there in Indianapolis that we just went under contract on. So I guess that's all I've got for Find It, Fund It, and Run It for LaPorte.